I'm going to show you how to make one of these, a wooden aircraft made from lollipop sticks and a peg. These planes make a great project for a class studying First World War, Second World War, or even a project on transport. For this project, each child will need 3 lollipop sticks, 1 wooden clothes peg, a paintbrush, scissors, glue, paints, and lots of enthusiasm. Step 1. We're going to make the wings. So you're going to need 2 lollipop sticks and your peg. Use glue to attach the sticks to the opening end of the peg. 1 lollipop stick to each side. So now we've got our wings. Next, we're going to make the tail of the plane. Take the remaining lollipop stick and cut a short square-ended section. This might be a little fiddly, so it could be something you pre-prepare before the lesson. Use glue to attach this to the rear end of your plane. Next, we're going to add the upright to the tail. Cut a short section from the curved end of the remaining bit of lollipop stick and attach this using glue to the top of the rear end. The glue now needs to dry before decorating. It's now time to paint the planes. You can go with whatever colour you like, but you might want to stick to colours used during the time period that you're studying. I'm painting on a laminated piece of A4 paper. This is a great way to keep tables clean. The final detail is a roundel that will go on the end of each wing. Draw 2 small circles on a piece of paper, then cut them out. The pattern of roundels varies depending upon which air force the planes belong to. You might want to teach this as part of a lesson. I'm going for the British RAF colours, blue round the edge and red in the middle. Using glue, attach a roundel to the end of each wing. And there we have it, our completed model plane. If you enjoyed it, why not subscribe? And if there's any topics you want me to cover, leave them in the comments below.